Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just updated to Windows 11 version 24H2 and noticed your audio isn't working, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to walk through several troubleshooting steps to get your audio working again. Let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure that the correct audio output device is selected. Right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. Under the Output section, make sure you've selected the right device, whether that's your speakers or headphones. Sometimes Windows might automatically switch devices after an update. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Next, let's make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software and let Windows find the latest drivers. If it doesn't find anything, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the driver. Step 3. Reinstall audio drivers. If you're still having issues, we can try reinstalling the audio driver. In Device Manager, right-click your audio device, select Uninstall Device, and restart your computer. Windows should reinstall the driver automatically. Step 4. Check for follow-up Windows updates. Sometimes follow-up updates fix issues like this. Head to Settings greater than Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If there are any new updates available, make sure to install them and restart your computer. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped fix your audio issue after the Windows 11 version 24H2 update. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.